Tonight I will show you how to install this LED 6500K cool white LED headlight. It's a 2014 Ford C-Max. So we have to remove two screws. One over here and one over here. This one. And that two screws require T30 Torx bit ratchet. Fender bolt as well. We're using 10mm socket for this. And this part is very important when you are working on electrical. Alrighty and righty, I will put that item link in the description just in case you want this setup. So thanks for watching guys, subscribe for more. See ya.